In this other question, that is day 3 of integration, you're asked to integrate 2 all over 1 plus x all over 1 plus 3x. Oh, the question I want to ask is, how am I going to integrate this? Because that's a multiplication and I don't know a formula to integrate this. What comes in mind is partial fraction. Do you know about partial fraction? If no, let's solve it. We just first express this question into partial fraction, that is 1 plus x and 1 plus 3x. In partial fraction, this will be in the form a all over 1 plus x plus b all over 1 plus 3x. Okay, from here you can easily solve it by doing the LCM at this part, and the denominator will cancel out. That will be equals to what? A into 1 plus 3x plus b into 1 plus x. Oh yeah, that's already coming out. We now have 2 is equals to what? A plus 3ax plus b plus bx. What you can then do is to join the like terms. Therefore, you're going to be having 2 is equals to what? Bring the term in x on one side. Okay, 3a plus b, 3a plus b, all that times x plus what? On the other side, you have a plus b, a plus b. What are you seeing at this point? You can have two equations, that is 3a plus b is equals to what? 0. Why are we saying 0? Because on this side you have no term in x, and equating with terms you cannot have a term in x, and on the other side you have a plus b is equals to 2. There are two different equations. You can easily find for a and b. You can just do equation 1 minus equation 2. You're going to have what? 2a is equals to what? 0 minus that negative 2, which implies a is equals to what? Minus 1. Okay, you can just substitute a here. That implies b is equals to what? 2 minus a, that is what? Minus 1, and therefore b is equals to 3. Okay. Oh, are we even? Yeah, b is equals to 3. Yeah, b is equals to 3. Okay. I was a bit looking up there and was a bit confused because putting 3 here was, and here is minus 1. Hence, 3 minus 3 will be 0. Okay, a is negative 1 and b is equals to 3. Hence, we come back and substitute all in our initial equation. Therefore, you have equals the integral of what? 2 all over what? Let's copy it up. 1 plus x, 1 plus 3x. 1 plus x and 1 plus 3x is equals to what? A, that is, we can just start with b, that is 3 all over 1 plus 3x minus 1 all over 1 plus x. And that is amazing. And just introduce an integral. And since integral of a plus b gx is equals to what? Integral of a gx plus integral of b gx, that is already done. You can just say this question is already solved, because you are also going to have, that will be equals to what? Integral of 3 all over 1 plus 3x gx minus integral of 1 all over 1 plus x gx. Automatically, I will just introduce a ln function here, and therefore my integral will be equals to what? Ln of 1 plus 3x minus ln of 1 plus x plus a constant k. Oh yeah, some guy are not understanding what's happening. You can just click here. Oh, sit down and watch how to integrate this. Okay, you have the integral of what? 3 all over what? 1 plus 3x. You can take our u is equals to what? 1 plus 3x. gu all over gx is equals to what? 3. Yeah, that's 3. Therefore, gx is equals to what? Gu all over 3. Hence, our new integral will be what? Integral of 3 gu on 3, because substitute gx, gu all over 3, all that all over gu. This and this will cancel. You are going to have left with what? 1 on u, and that is equals to ln u. Oh yeah, amazing. And for the other man, it's already even easy, because I have 1 over 1 plus x integral of 1 all over 1 plus x. You use the same method. 1 plus x gu is equals to what? 1. Therefore, we substitute 1 on u, and that will be equals to ln u. And we come to the end of this amazing question. Do you find this question adding a lot of value? Yeah, I think you're already on a good mood. And this can come back in the GC. Who knows? A question similar might come. Okay. Sorry for the tautology. And we come to the end. Goodbye.